Hi, my name is Zach Peterson. I'm a realtor with Sutton Premier Realty, and I specialize in helping people create massive wealth through investing in real estate. More millionaires have been created through real estate than any other form of investing. There are two main reasons why I love investing in real estate. Number one is leverage. Basically, what leverage is being able to buy an asset without having to pay the total purchase price in cash. There are very few other investments out there that are going to allow you to borrow 80% of the asset value with only putting 20% down in cash. This is done by using a source of credit like a mortgage or a home equity line of credit. So let's look at an example. Say you wanted to buy a property that was worth $250,000. In order to purchase that property valued at $250,000, you are only going to be required to make a down payment of $50,000. And the bank is going to give you the additional financing in the form of a mortgage, $200,000. Now, if that property value was to go up 3 to 5% per year, you'd be making a total gain of $250,000 times, let's say 5% equals $12,500 per year. Now, if you divide that gain of $12,500 into your original investment, you would actually be netting a return of about 25% because you'd use leverage to finance the purchase price of that property. The second reason that I love investing in real estate is that the tenant pays your mortgage. Now, if you were to use debt to buy something like a stock or a mutual fund, you're going to actually have to pay back that loan with your own money. In the case of real estate investing, the tenant pays both your principal and interest on the loan, plus any property taxes or condo fees. So let's take a look at the benefits of buying one property. Now, if you bought a property and it was valued at $250,000 and you had to put a down payment of $50,000 and the rent was $1,250 per month. Now, if you take the rule of 72, which says if you take the percentage gain per year and divide it by 72, that's how many years it will take for your investment to double in value. Now, if you assume the market will appreciate by about 3% per year, which is actually a pretty conservative rate of appreciation, then your property that you purchased for $250,000 will double to $500,000 in about 24 years. Now, using that same rule of 72, we can also predict that your rent of $1,250 will also double to $2,500 in 24 years. During that same time frame, your tenant has continued to make your mortgage payments and you now own that property free and clear. So if we assume that your property value has doubled to $500,000, your rent has increased to $2,500, and you pay about 30% in expenses. Each property you purchase is going to be generating $1,800 in free positive cash flow every month. Now, does that sound like something you guys might be interested in? Sounds pretty good to me. So imagine that you bought a property for $250,000. It's currently rented out for $1,250 a month, but in 24 years, it's going to be cash flowing $1,800 a month. Now, think about that and ask yourself, where do you want to end up? For me, it's pretty simple. I want to end up with a whole bunch of properties like this, pay me that kind of income every month. Plus, I also think that each of these properties, because I've bought them in the right area, is going to see a better gain than 3% in value and rents every year. On top of that, if you take your cash flow and you reinvest it into paying down your mortgage, after 16, 17, or 18 years, you can actually have that mortgage paid completely off. A lot of our clients that are following this program want to acquire 3, 5, 10, or even 15 properties, all with hopes of making about $5,000 to $20,000 in free positive cash flow every month. Now, if this sounds like something you might be interested in, currently I have a few different options available, all with different timelines and rates of return. Depending on whether you want a quick return on investment, you're looking to build long-term wealth, or you want to be able to use your TFSA or RSP to invest. Alright, well that's it for this video. Hope you guys got a lot of good information. If you have any questions or comments, just drop it down in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.